is the next topic, Amma? Next topic is nothing but iframes. So what are iframes? Iframes are like the advanced things, okay? So which are there in HTML5. So you'll be finding this in HTML5, and they look very much similar to the frames, but with different options. Okay, fine. So let me go to the notepad and I'll show you how to create iframes. So I'm saying body, and then I'm creating a header which is of size h2, and I'm saying HTML iframes. I'm just creating a heading, okay, so which just reads this way, HTML. So I'm saying iframe. I'll just start off. The tag is like iframe, so I just need to use the iframe. In the earlier case, like you need to use frame set and frame and all that, but here I'll be using iframe. Okay, so iframe src is equal to. So what is the frame that you want to create? Okay, so I want to insert the frame 1.html in this particular frame. So I'm just mentioning that in the source attribute, and you can give some title to the frame. You can simply say that title is equal to frame 1, okay? And then you can specify the height and width of this particular frame. Okay, so what is the height and width of this particular frame that you want to? So I'm saying I'm using the style attribute. So I'm saying style is equal to, so let me say height is equal to height colon. These are the property values, right? So height is height colon. So I'm saying 300 pixel, semicolon. So then go for width and then put a colon, and then width can be some 200. Put a colon, and then I'll go with border, okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand. So I'm taking the border. I'm making it as 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and I'm giving some color to the border as well. So I'm saying it is solid blue. The color of the border is solid blue. Put a semicolon and a double quotes, and then close the iframe tag. So I'm saying this is iframe. Okay, so I just closed it, and then close the body tag as well. So I just have closed the tag. That's it. So save it. So I hope you understood this code. Is there any difficulty understanding this part? Is there
It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear, right? Fine. Okay, so let me actually refresh it so you can see this. Okay, so this is the heading I have created. So HTML iframe, did I share it? Okay, right. So this is like HTML iframe heading that I have created, and this is the frame, okay, so that I have inserted. So what is the difference between the previous ones and this one is that here you can actually customize it accordingly. Like you can put a small box, and inside that you can start opening some video player, and you can do all that stuff. Okay, right. So when I click on this SVECW, it will be opening only in this particular part, okay, of the frame. It won't open in the entire thing, like how it happened in the frames as well. Iframes are also same, but with different options. That's it. Okay, right. So I hope everybody understood this. Emma?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have created some border to it and all that. We have set it and all that. I think the code is pretty much clear. Right. So this is nothing but iframe.